Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print honeycomb curtain with our UV printing machine. First, load the honeycomb curtain fabric carefully into the machine. Next, adjust the print head to make sure it's aligned properly. And then open our UVIP software and customize the colors according to your design. Painting and check if the colors are accurate. Look at the smooth printing speed of our machine. You can also customize the print head. We offer 4, 6 and 8 print head option. All using the reliable Zico Gen 5 technology. The printing width is 3.3 meters and the speed can reach 70 square meter per hour. So if you want to print high quality honeycomb curtains or another curtains, or you want to buy our UV printing machine, contact us today. Thank you for watching.